For a lot of people, flossing is the part of dental care that are most likely to skip. It can feel tedious, uncomfortable, and easy to put off, but it's also one of the most important steps for keeping your teeth and gums healthy. That's where water flossers come in. They make the process faster, gentler, and even a little enjoyable. These aren't the flashiest gadgets in your bathroom, but their usefulness is hard to ignore. In this video, we're covering the top 6 best water flossers, their key features, and what to consider before choosing. Links are in the description below. Number 6. Quip Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser. If you're looking for something compact, travel-friendly, and stylish enough to leave out on your bathroom counter, the Quip Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser is a good choice. This model is designed with simplicity in mind. It's minimal, lightweight, and easy to use without a bunch of unnecessary extras. The flosser is completely cordless, powered by a rechargeable battery that lasts up to a week or more on a single charge. It uses a magnetic charging base, which keeps things neat and eliminates fiddling with plugs or ports. You get 2 pressure modes, gentle and deep clean, so you can adjust based on your comfort level. The reservoir holds enough water for about 60 seconds of use, which is often enough for a quick flossing session, though you might need to refill if you move more slowly. One of the standout features here is how portable it feels. The slim, tapered design slips easily into a toiletry bag, and the weight is light enough that you barely notice it. It also runs relatively quietly compared to some other models, which is a nice bonus if you share a bathroom. That said, the small tank can feel limiting if you want a longer or more thorough clean. It's clearly designed for convenience and portability, not maximum power. The water pressure, while decent for everyday maintenance, may not satisfy those looking for a really intense clean. The Quip Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser is best for occasional use, frequent travelers, or anyone who prefers simplicity over a more powerful, bulky machine. If you just want something easy to carry and quick to use, this model does the job well. Number 5. Bitvae Portable 300ml Irrigator. For those who want a capable water flosser without spending too much, the Bitvae Portable 300ml Irrigator is an excellent pick. It delivers more than you'd expect at its price point, with a sturdy feel and a few thoughtful features that make it stand out among budget-friendly options. One of the biggest advantages of this model is its generously sized 300ml water tank. That's quite large for a portable flosser and usually gives you enough water for a complete session without needing to stop and refill. It's cordless, powered by a rechargeable battery with USB-C charging, a modern touch that means you can even charge it with your phone charger if needed. The flosser offers 3 pressure modes, soft, standard, and strong, along with a pulse setting, so you can adjust it depending on how sensitive your gums feel. In use, the Bitvae strikes a good balance between water pressure and control. The stream is strong enough to clear debris effectively, but not so forceful that it's uncomfortable even on the highest setting. The ergonomic handle feels secure and easy to hold, and the tank is simple to fill and clean. However, because of the larger tank and solid construction, it's a little bulkier than you might expect for a portable model. If you're looking for something ultra-slim for travel, this may feel a bit heavy or awkward to pack. And while it works reliably, it doesn't have quite the refined feel or premium finish of higher-end models. The Bitvae Portable 300ml Irrigator is best for budget-conscious buyers who still want a solid, dependable clean at home or on the go. If value is your top priority, this one delivers nicely. Number 4. Aquasonic Aqua Flosser. If you're buying your first water flosser and want something affordable yet effective, the Aquasonic Aqua Flosser is worth a look. It strikes a nice balance between price and performance, offering enough power and features to handle daily flossing without being complicated or expensive. This model is fully cordless with a 10-ounce, about 300ml, water tank that typically lasts for a full session, though you might need to refill if you take your time. It includes 3 modes, normal, soft, and pulse, which cover a good range of pressure options for most users. It also comes with several interchangeable tips, so you can swap them out if more than one person is using it or if you need a fresh nozzle. Performance-wise, the Aquasonic delivers a strong and steady water stream that feels effective at removing food particles and cleaning along the gum line. The battery life is decent too. It usually runs for about a week or more on a single charge, depending on how long your sessions are. One thing we like about this flosser is how easy it is to use. The controls are straightforward, the tank is simple to fill, and it runs quietly compared to some others in its price range. It even includes extra tips in the box, which is a thoughtful touch if you're just getting started. That said, the tank isn't as large as some countertop models, and the overall build can feel basic compared to more premium designs. But at this price, it's hard to complain. The Aquasonic Aqua Flosser is best suited for beginners or anyone who wants a no-fuss, dependable flosser for everyday use at home. For the price, it delivers exactly what you need. Number 3. Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0. For those who want a portable water flosser without sacrificing performance, the Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 is a standout option. Waterpik is a trusted name in dental care, and this model brings their dentist-recommended technology into a compact, travel-friendly form that still feels powerful and reliable. This cordless flosser comes with a rechargeable battery, and it includes 4 interchangeable tips, so it's great if more than one person wants to use it or if you need different nozzles for specific needs. There are 3 pressure settings: low, medium, and high, which makes it easy to find a level that feels comfortable yet effective. It also features a quiet design that keeps noise to a minimum, a welcome detail if you share a bathroom or like to floss at odd hours. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 delivers a strong water stream that feels more robust than many other portable models. It's especially useful if you have braces, implants, or other dental work, since it can reach areas that string floss struggles with. The reservoir holds enough water for about 45 to 60 seconds of use, which is usually sufficient for a single session, though it's smaller than what you find on a countertop unit. We also appreciate the small but thoughtful details. It's easy to fill, comes in several colors to suit your style, and is simple to keep clean. The compact size makes it easy to pack in a carry-on or keep on a small bathroom counter without clutter. Of course, you're paying for the Waterpik name and performance, and that's reflected in the price. It's one of the more expensive portable options, and while it's great for travel and everyday use, the tank size won't replace the thoroughness of a full-sized model. The Waterpik Cordless Advanced 2.0 is ideal for frequent travelers, anyone with orthodontics or implants, or those who want top-notch cleaning in a portable package. Number 2. Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 Cordless. If you're looking for a premium water flosser that combines advanced technology with a sleek design, the Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 Cordless is a strong contender. Known for their toothbrushes, Philips brings the same attention to detail here, delivering a flosser that's gentle on gums but still powerful enough to clean thoroughly. This model is cordless with a 250 milliliter water tank that typically lasts just about long enough for a full session. It features 2 modes, clean and deep clean, which you can switch between depending on how thorough you want to be. It also uses an X-shaped water stream powered by microdroplet technology. This creates 4 streams that cross in the mouth, helping to cover more surface area and clean along the gum line more efficiently than a single stream. The flosser feels gentle but still effective, which is great if you have sensitive gums or are prone to discomfort with stronger water jets. It's also impressively quiet, so you can use it without feeling like you're waking up the whole household. Charging is quick and easy. A full charge takes about 4 hours and provides plenty of sessions before needing to plug back in. Visually, it's one of the most stylish options available, with clean lines and a modern finish that looks good on the counter. The build quality feels solid, and the controls are simple and intuitive to use. On the downside, it's priced higher than many other cordless models and only offers 2 modes, so if you want more customization, you might feel limited. The water tank is also smaller compared to countertop models, so you might need to refill if you like to floss slowly or more thoroughly. The Philips Sonicare Power Flosser 3000 Cordless is best suited for those who want a premium, quiet, and effective experience, particularly good for people with sensitive gums or anyone who appreciates thoughtful design. Number 1. Waterpik Aquarius WP-660. For anyone who wants the most powerful and feature-packed water flosser available, the Waterpik Aquarius WP-660 remains the gold standard. This flagship countertop model delivers a level of performance and customization that portable models just can't match, making it a great choice for families, households, or anyone with serious dental care needs. One of the standout features of the Aquarius is its range of pressure settings. You get 10 levels to choose from, so you can dial in exactly the right intensity for your gums, whether you prefer a gentle massage or a really strong stream for deeper cleaning. The large 90-second reservoir means you can floss at your own pace without stopping to refill, even if you're being thorough. It comes with 7 interchangeable tips, which makes it easy for multiple people in a household to share the unit while keeping their own nozzles. The tips also include specialty designs for braces, implants, or periodontal pockets, making it incredibly versatile. There's even a massage mode that helps stimulate gum health, something you don't see on most smaller or portable models. When it comes to performance, the Aquarius delivers a powerful, steady stream that easily removes debris and plaque, even from hard-to-reach areas. The larger size also makes it more stable on the counter, no tipping over or awkward balancing. There are a few things to keep in mind, though. Because it's a countertop unit, it needs to stay plugged in, and does take up more space than a cordless flosser. If portability or minimalism is important to you, this might not be the best fit. For households, people with orthodontics or implants, or anyone who simply wants maximum cleaning power and full customization, the Waterpik Aquarius WP-660 is hard to beat. It's a dentist-recommended classic that more than earns its place at the top of the list. That wraps up our list of the best water flossers to help keep your smile healthy and your gums happy. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and let us know in the comments which one you're planning to pick up. Don't forget to check the description below for links to all the products we mentioned. Here's to better oral health. Thanks for watching.